So how can you remove a control center icon from the iPhone? And let's get into it. So in this latest version of iOS, the way that it works is that you essentially just get to the control center right there. And if you want to remove something or edit it, just hold down on any individual toggle, right? So you can see it might show like multiple options, but in order to perform the edits, hold down somewhere in between. Like, don't necessarily click on anything, just hold down somewhere in the gaps between, and this will get you to this editing view. And now every icon and every toggle has this minus icon next to it, so you can essentially remove everything from here or pick the ones you want to disappear and just customize it according to your preference. So it is actually really simple. If you find that you, for example, would like to keep some of them, but you find them to be quite large, you can always just grab on this little handle in the bottom right corner and just perhaps make it smaller, larger, depending on the availability of that particular widget or toggle. But usually most of them have the option to be smaller or larger, and you can tweak that. Obviously, you can play with the pages and just go through all of them. So yeah, it might take a while for you to set it up exactly as you want. So just go through it until you are happy with the result. And at the bottom of each page, just you can find the plus button with add a control text. And if you tap on this, this gives you the menu of all of the available toggles, which are not there yet, but can be added. So it's very useful if you obviously want to ensure it works exactly as you wish. So thanks a lot. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. And I also need to tell you that there is the iOS 26 beta available. So naturally, a bunch of different changes are going to be happening there. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe so you never miss the videos where I talk about it. And, obviously stay tuned and I'll see you later.